To graph, find the center, and find the radius of this circle, we have to do a lot of algebra. We need to take this equation and rearrange it. The first thing that I'm going to do is subtract 13 over to the other side, which gives me the negative 13. Then I'm also going to rearrange the terms so that the x's are next to each other and the y's are next to each other. I'm also going to leave a little space because I'm going to have to add some numbers here so that I can complete the square. To complete the square, remember I'm going to take half of this term, so 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then square it. And that's what I'm going to add right here. I have to remember that I have to add that to the other side of my equal sign also to keep both sides equal. Same thing here with my 4. I'm going to take half of this negative 4, which will be negative 2, and then square it, gives me a positive 4. So I need to add 4 to both sides. So what I did again on this line was I completed the square twice, once for the x variables and once for the y variables. Now I'm going to factor the first 3 terms, and that'll give me x plus 5 quantity squared, plus because of the plus sign. Then I'm going to factor the next 3 terms, which will give me y minus 2 quantity squared. And if I add all of these up, I will get 16. Now I have my equation in standard form. It's the standard form for the equation of a circle. From here, I take the opposite of this number to get my x-coordinate of my center, opposite of this for the y-coordinate of my center, and I take the square root of 16 to get 4 for my radius. And once I have that, I need to graph my center, which was negative 5, positive 2, which is right here. Then my radius was 4. So I went 4 to the right and made a point. I went 4 to the left and made a point. I went 4 up and made a point. And I went 4 down and made a point from my center. Then I connected those points to make my circle.